Today I'm recreating a fellow artist's work. I will put it right here. You can compare it. This person's name is Cothudo. I hope I said that right. Yeah, they made a face chart on Instagram. They're on Instagram. I'll put their link in the description below so you can go check them out. This person's really talented with face charts. And I saw this one and I felt the need to recreate it. And they seem really excited about it. I hope you like it. I hope I came pretty close to your original face chart. If you know anyone else who deserves some recognition, let me know. During the month of November, I give shout outs on my story on Instagram. So if you know anyone who's talented and doesn't get enough recognition that they deserve, let me know and I will give them a shout out. But as of right now, I'm gonna show you how to do my recreation of Cothudo's work. If you want to see me do more recreations of fellow artists' work, please hit that like button if you enjoy this video and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. No more horsing around. Let's get right into the video. Let's get started. Our first step is to paint our whole face a very light purple. Violet? You're turning violet! I probably should have blocked out my eyebrows before turning my face purple, but that's okay. We're gonna do it now. If you're watching this from the future, do this first. Our next step is to contour the obvious places. There's gonna be a lot of shading involved in the face. There's a lot of colors of purple, blue, some sort of like reddish pink color, but we're gonna start with the obvious color, which is purple, and we'll use that purple to contour our whole face. And if you've seen my Spider Princess tutorial, you'll probably recognize the color I'm about to use, which is the Cancer Purple, the matte purple from BH Cosmetics, their Zodiac Palette. Okay, to darken a few places in my contours is I'm gonna go in with Leo. It's a little bit darker. It's kind of like a burgundy color, but has more purple in it. So it's like a darker version of what we just used all over our face. So I'm gonna darken certain areas of the contour. Okay, moving on to the next color, I'm using Give Face Cosmetics, their neon pigments. The blue one, which is called, try not to spell this, Flash. I'm just using the lid. Give Face, their pigments are very pigmented, so I always just start off with the lid and go from there. But he has like some splotches of blue all around the face, especially right next to the contour. So I'm gonna go with that blue and kind of splash it on my face. Okay, now I'm going in with Give Face Cosmetics Ultra Neon Pigment. I'm gonna kind of concentrate that around the nose bone here. I'm gonna go in with Wild Heart from Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. Take Wild Heart. No, I'm gonna go with Hell Ride. That's like completely matte. It's a little bit darker, but it's fine. I'm gonna concentrate Hell Ride kind of toward the center between my eye and my nose. For the outside of the eye socket, I'm gonna go in with, what's this called? South Beach. I'm gonna go with the South Beach color here, which is kind of like a pinkish nude. I'm not expecting you to use all these palettes and spend all the money on all of these colors, by the way. I'm showing you what colors I'm using, so you can go and find your own color. I never like to encourage people to buy the exact product that I use, because knowing the cosmetic industry, they always get rid of things. They always move on to the next thing. And years to come, if you're looking back on this video and they don't have it anymore, then what are you gonna do? So I'm just showing you the colors that I use, so you can go out and find it yourself. Or if you really, really want to use the exact product you use, I always list it in the description. This is basically a lighter version of Hell Ride. And it's okay if there's just like a line going around your eye. This is all gonna be black, so we're just laying the background color right now. And I'm not too worried about my eyebrows looking horrendous either. Again, it's gonna be covered in black. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that same blue and just flick it on the outside of all the colors we just laid down around our eye socket. Okay, I think now what I'm gonna do is any colors that you think were muddled together, like I'm gonna add more purple, but if there's any colors that you feel like you should touch up, that's my next step to you. We're gonna add a pretty bright highlight. In his picture, it's almost like white up here. Take a tiny bit of water that's almost dry. You're just gonna pat that until it's almost white. Okay, now for the main attraction, we're gonna do that spiky star-like shape around our eyes. This is like the coolest part of the whole thing, is like that spikiness. Just taking a really thin brush like this and I'm gonna start from the center. We'll worry about our eyes later, but we're gonna go around our eyes with the black and just do that spiky shape all around. Okay, the surrounding areas around my eyes I'm gonna fill in with NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black, and then I'm gonna set it with black eyeshadow. With NYX with NYX Liquid Liner in white, I'm gonna add all the white highlights within the star. I'm gonna call it a star, the spiky star. We're gonna make a wing liner with our white eyeliner. Next, line our eyeballs. I'm gonna use some white paint and just go over my bottom lashes. I'm just gonna use the black dirty brush I have left over, and I'm gonna make the nose hole. And make highlights around it with white paint. Okay, moving on to the teeth. I am taking slightly watered down white paint and just flicking up the teeth. Make them pretty uneven. The picture kind of looks like it's like breaking off or kind of chipping. So you want that chipped effect. Just I'm using something like this, kind of flat, so you can make those little cracks when you want to. You're filling everything with black, including your lips. I'm gonna go over the edges of the teeth with white, just so the edges are brighter compared to the black right next to it. Alright, I'm gonna go back over very lightly with that blue from Give Face Cosmetics. I'm gonna go back over that with teeth because the teeth went a little bit further out than I expected it to, so I'm gonna add it now. He's got some white freckles going on, so that's what I'm gonna do, add some white freckles. Okay, for the ears now, he has like an ombre effect going on from black to purple to blue. Black, purple, blue. Black, purple, blue. Okay, second to last thing we're gonna do is Kat Von D's Everlasting Glimmer Veil. The purple one, whatever this is called, Televator, is the perfect glimmer for this. If you can find this, this is perfect. If you can't find it, just like something purple. Shine the center of that bottom lip and then you're all set. The last thing we're gonna do now is I'm gonna spray my hair blue. I'm using MAC, my airbrush and the MAC paint. It's the closest color I have, which is pretty close. Obviously, if you don't have an airbrush, you can use colored hairspray, or you can even find like a blue wig matching the picture. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair blue. I'm gonna put in my contacts, and once you've done that, you're done.